What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another Matthew Perry 2 video. I'm making a video over on this channel to talk about Grok. Grok has not been making the most positive move today. And honestly, everything in the market really doesn't look great either. You're seeing Bitcoin that is down, Ethereum that's down, BNB maybe down. You see Shiba Inu, you see meme coins, you see Solana, and a lot of things that are down on the day. The entire market really doesn't look great. So does that give Grok a pass? Maybe slightly, right? To a certain extent, maybe like 9 or 10%. But then once you start seeing that over that level, you start realizing that maybe people aren't seeing this as the opportunity that you believe it's going to be. But does that mean that I give up on Grok? No. The reason why I don't give up on Grok is because I understand that what it could be. I understand what it will be. I understand in the bull market how people react to a position that can potentially get to a level of $1 before any other meme coin that is there. And once it starts rising and getting closer and closer and closer, the FOMO will come. As soon as you see the level of support, the level of the community that really does support this project and where it's going to go, the investors will come, the FOMO will come. So I'm excited to see what Grok will do. And I want to take this video to tell you why I'm so bullish on this project. Now, am I the most bullish on this than anything else in the market? No, I have others that are invested. I invest a lot more into some other plays. However, I still invested a large amount compared to some other positions that I hold that you would think have a better use case. So let's talk about Grok in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out my Margex link, if you want to sign up for Margex, this is a platform that I feel like a lot of people can day trade, swing trade with. You can also leverage trade on it up to 100x leverage trading, which I'm currently leverage trading right now. I'm leverage trading a little bit of Bitcoin and I'm up 110% right now on my $18 that I invested, which ended up giving me $1,800 worth of Bitcoin that I'm invested with while only risking $18. It's definitely a great situation, a great thing to have in your back pocket if you're looking to day trade or swing trade or see an opportunity to where maybe you want to invest a decent amount, but you don't have a decent amount. Now, you would be risking a lot and you want to make sure you're playing that risk to your advantage rather than, the platform's advantage or, the other buyer, the person on the other side's advantage. But you can also buy and you can short with this platform. So if you're interested in this, I have a link in the description where you guys can sign up. They are partners with the channel, so I do get a little bit of a kickback, but it helps support me as a creator. And also, I believe it will help you out tremendously as you see the benefits to being able to leverage trade as well as trade short term. So let's talk about Grok in this video. I've mentioned Grok, I believe it was in December. I think I first mentioned it in November, but we mentioned Grok in December when it was at, the high point. I didn't say that it was a time to buy it. I said that it was at a high point and I wanted to get my foot in the door. I didn't think that it was going to absolutely explode then, but I did want to get my foot in the door. So I got my foot in the door, maybe a little bit lower, somewhere around 2.5 cents. It ended up decreasing after you saw the Twitter account get suspended. Now, the Twitter account got suspended for what people believe is the reason that it's a scam. That's not the case. Got suspended because it's a Grok position or a Grok account that has a lot of followers and a lot of attention. So taking that away from the Grok chatbot is detrimental to the Grok chatbot's success. So taking that down was the only way to go. However, you can't fight this. You can't fight this as long as they think they're going to fight this, because Grok still has, even though it doesn't have that presence there on Twitter, it still has a ton of people that are backing it and still tweet about it to this day. You tweet about Grok, you're guaranteed to get at least 100 likes on there because you have a community that's searching, that's scouring that site and looking for people that are talking about this position because the community is strong. It is very, very strong. And I'll show you exactly how strong it is as we go to my Twitter account. And speaking of that, let's go to my Twitter account. If we look at the strength for a Grok. I just posted on here. I was like, maybe Grok should have 1.3 million holders too. Grok is for the win. And what I'm referring to is I put out a tweet here for the best meme coin is blank. Grok, SHIB, Bonk, Snek, Doge. What is your favorite meme coin? And meme coins have a lot of holders, meaning that I for sure thought Shiba Inu was going to win this battle. 3,674 votes on this, and the final results, even though you have an others category, is still with Grok in the lead at 31%. Grok, right? Grok is something that only is at a what 40 million dollar market cap. SHIB is at like a 4 or 5 billion dollar market cap. Pepe is at a $500 million market cap, and others will amount to multiple hundreds of millions of dollars. And even Bonk being at a level of like 2 billion or 3 billion, and Dogecoin being at a higher level, and some people saying Dogecoin and some people not. 35,000 views, 3,600 votes, and you have 31% that say Grok. This shows the strength that Grok has on Twitter. So many different votes, so many different people that believe that Grok is going to be a big play. Now, I didn't want to say this just because I wanted to see Grok win. I wanted to put this out there to show that Grok can compete with some of the best. And people that underestimate the Grok community underestimate Grok's value, which will be huge in 2024, in my opinion. In this year, it will be huge. And people are underestimating it. And when it does explode, you have to get through a storm, right? You get through a hurricane of emotions before you actually see those benefits, before you actually see those gains. And a lot of people will get weathered by that storm. They will get out of the position, sell the position because they truly just don't see the value as of what's in front of their face value. But honestly, it shows so much more than that. And that's the reason why I'm mainly bullish on it. Like you look at Grok and where it stands now, it's down 17%. So it's definitely down more than what the market is, which is down 6% overall, 6 or 7%. So a lot of altcoins are falling by about 8, 9, or 10%. So anything over that level is considered something that is dropping or crashing a lot more than the market. And you're seeing Grok that's down about 17 or almost 18%. It did drop all the way down to a level of 52% of a penny, currently at 53 or almost 54% of a penny. Definitely on the way down, right? And I know for a fact with the $12 million in volume, with the market cap that it's at now, that it will gain a lot of attention, a lot of traction. If you look at something that is this early, it's only been a number of months. It did reach up to 3 cents, and I was able to average down. I currently hold 415,000. Meaning that when this does, and I'm saying when this does get to a value of $1, it'll be $415,000. And I wish I would have seen this whole entire thing coming. I thought that people maybe would come to their senses a little bit sooner and see exactly what Grok could be. And then they would get into it and it would be somewhere around 1 cent where it would kick off of. The fact that it's at a half a penny, I would have loved to have put 400,000 in there at that point, or sorry, $4,000, because then I would have closer to a million Grok. That's insane. You know, I have a million Jasmy coin, and Jasmy coin has a 50 million or 50 billion supply. You look at Grok, it has a 6.9 billion coin supply, and you seeing that $1 price point could get you to a $6.9 billion market cap, which is not insane or not at a ridiculous level, and you're still at $1 and you now made $1 million off of this one play. Right? That's what I'm seeing within it, because I see the security, I see the popularity that's here. And most people are just like pushing this aside. They're like, nope, I don't want to get into it because I feel like it just doesn't have that level of security. I've seen it. You look at the token sniffer, the level of security is there. You look at the fact that it's on Gate.io, it's on MEXC, it's, you know, you can buy it on Uniswap and you have $1 million going through there. HTX has $3 million that's flowing through there, $3.5 million. Bitmart, right? LBank, all of these platforms that trust Grok to be traded consistently on these tier 2 or borderline tier 1 platforms. Just wait until you actually get true tier 1 platforms and true S tier platforms on this, with this position. Grok is going to definitely go through the roof, and I can't wait for that to happen. Now, am I investing any more money in there? I honestly don't really have any more money to invest. I wanted to, I really, really wanted to. I put more money into XRP, and that's because I'm a huge fan of XRP, and I consistently invest more money into XRP not only every single month, but maybe even getting to every single week. Like I consistently invest into that position, especially as of late. But if Grok finds a way to hit a further storm and goes down to a level of 0.003, you can expect me to be the first at the door to buy a lot more because I'm ready to see this thing absolutely flourish. And it's not too far away from where my cost basis is, which is 1 cent, 1.1 cents. So where it is now, I'm truly believing that this is going to be worth so much more than where we're seeing this at right now. It is a meme coin. It is something that's tied every time you type in Grok on Twitter. This comes up as well. It's not just the Grok AI chatbot. You're seeing this and you're seeing the conversations and the attention and the popularity and all of that stuff that will stick here forever. For as long as Grok is available, for as long as Grok AI chatbot is there, this Grok position will also be there and available on many different platforms to purchase. So this is just my opinion. I don't expect you to go out and buy the position. I want you guys to do your research. And if you truly believe in that position, then go about that position. I honestly wish I had that money that I initially invested now, because would I still put it in there? Yes, I would throw it all in there. If not, get to 5,300 that I invested. And then I would have 1,000,000 Grok on my hands, which I truly believe is going to be worth so much more. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, remember, if you guys want to sign up for Margex, that link is down in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.